Nice soil.
Major road work.
Oh, yeah. And they don't have those like 20-minute delays or anything like that. It's or half-hour delays. It's just hope for the best.
Just go when you see it's clear.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we might want to get on the side of the road for this
Let's
one.
get over here now. You see what I mean?
And this is just the way it is. Oh, here goes another one.
Ah, we got room.
You got room.
There's the yellow line. Yikes, big fuel truck coming up behind us. I don't want him riding my ass. Now this is a one major oversized line. Hurry up, sis, hurry. Hurry. Okay, I'm going faster. You go faster. Okay. Look at the size of these cranes. Holy Christ. Look, they got one off there. I don't like this bridge at all.
Mm-mm.
I don't even think those guys got walkie-talkies to say, hey, there's a big fuel truck coming, stop traffic at your end. You know what I mean? No, they don't.
You just go around the corner and hope for the best.
Keep your four-way flashers on.
Yeah.
Oh, they're on already. Yeah, that bridge was pretty well worn. A one-lane traffic, you say? Oh, okay. No worries. I'll slow right down and watch out for big semis coming at me. I love this country.
And this is the main highway, north and south.
Yeah. Yeah. This is it.
Right down the coast, the Pacific coast. Oh. Equipment working signs? Nah, we don't need them.
Been working.
No.
Slow to 60 though.
There's no place like home. I just love this place.
There's a sign up there.
A little bit of a detour.
Yeah, you just gotta go like over here and then around this way, hopefully. This way. Oh, it's okay. It slows you right down. That's for sure. This part of the road's just about done, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got no bridge there.
You're sure doing it fast.
Yeah. It's a big stretch of construction, that's for sure.
The guy's riding on this outside of that truck in front of
Oh,
us.
yeah.
There's one on this side too.
Really?
Yeah.
Flag guy? Nah. Oh, there he is. Thank you.
Rocks falling off of that truck.
Oh, he kicked him out of
That
the
guy's
way.
gonna let you go.
He's kicking him out of the way. Yeah.
Taking you on a wild ride.
Some things you just don't see every day.
No.
I like the color of the rock. It's almost purple, isn't it? Yeah, big hole. Lickety clack.
Flag girl at work.
Won't be seeing too many tarantulas crossing this road now.
No. Or snakes. Used to see a lot of snakes in the tarantulas.
Yeah. Guess I can turn my flashers off now.
Okay. We're coming into our little town now.